Oh, hello, y'all. I was just here playing my Nintendo Switch with my Chanel scarf. I mean, just dripping in swag. What's good, y'all? You know what I mean? We here with another episode of Lowlifeclub, Adventures, Lowlifeclub, clothing, you know what I mean? Another vlog for you guys. Today, we're going to get into another one of the brands that I think is really on the come up, that I really fuck with, I really like a lot, and that will be Ryder Studios and Denim Tears. Actually, I'll do one at a time. Ryder Studios is from Ryder. I'm not sure exactly where he's from. I think he might be from like Cleveland or something like that, Ohio. I think, but I know he's based out in Atlanta, I believe, right now. How I found out about him? I think I found out about him through a manufacturer. I'm not gonna blow up his spot and say who it is, but I know the manufacturer that designs the clothes for him, and I seen some of the stuff that they had on there, and I thought it was like really fire. From there, I went and followed his page. He's really cool. Has a really dope following. And I think he has some real fire stuff that you guys should definitely tap into. This right here, like a lot of the stuff that I know that he does, seems really childlike. That's no offense at all. I think it's actually pretty cool. The first piece that I actually purchased from him was, I actually missed the drop. The first drop, I missed it out on it, and I actually got this from GRAILED. For like, this is, I think, his V1, his version 1 monster hoodie. And I believe I got this for like a super steal. The person who sold this to me, they sold it for like $100, I think. It was real stupid in my opinion. I think it's something that's going to be real blown up soon. So, Ryder, you can see like the little tag right here. It's pretty dope. Has like the little horns on the hood. A lot of artists I've seen wearing it. I believe Lucky, who was in the little Uzi Futsal Shuffle video. I believe Ayo and Teo was rocking it. Has this like dope pouch right here with his teeth and the tongue that comes out. That was really dope. So you could definitely tell it's like really like child inspired. Looks like a kid's hoodie, but definitely fits super fire. Even the arm sleeves are like really extended, so they kind of like fall over your hand and everything when you rock them. And I'm a pretty tall guy, and this is like an oversized hoodie fit. I believe this one is a large. This is a large. I like the color of it. They have a bunch of different colors, and since then he's actually done a bunch of different versions of them. V1s, V2s. I think now he's on the V3 version. Hold on one sec. I gotta fucking blow my nose. My nose is running. Alright, great. This one fun with it? Yeah, alright. Yeah, my allergies is whooping my fucking ass right now. So, but yeah, so what was I? Yeah, Ryder. Like I said, this is the first piece I bought. Really fire, really dope. Fits really well. You guys will see some like more on-fit pics in a moment. The next piece I got was a hat. The hat, I would say I'm probably the most invested in. I'm a really big hat guy. I've always been like collecting hats, had a lot of hats, snapbacks, all that good stuff. I'm really into them. And I thought this one was just really dope because, to be honest, I've just never seen anything like this before. Although it's something so simple, and I believe most of the best designs, whether it comes with music, fashion, anything, I think are always those designs that are kind of like, why didn't I think of that? Like, it's so simple. I've never seen anything like this, and it's just really dope. It's nothing really to it. They have it in black, red. There's a bunch of other different baseball teams and a bunch of other teams that I believe is also pretty fire. But this one right here, just, I don't know, really stood out to me. I got the red one. These actually go for like $150. The only complaint that I have is just the shipping time. They're being made like as to order, so once they come out and they selling out, it takes about 6 to 8 weeks for the delivery. I currently just ordered the pants. We'll probably put like a little picture of the pants that they just made. I just ordered those pants not too long ago, and I actually ordered those maybe like 6 weeks ago, and they still haven't got here yet. They probably still won't be here for a while because from what I heard recently, I believe actually his manufacturer's place actually got raided. So, and it's coronavirus, so that's also been putting like a real hold on it.
Coronavirus! I'm telling you, shit is real!
So to be honest, I actually have no idea when I'm gonna get these items. Even when I ordered this hoodie, I got it from GRAILED, so that didn't take long at all, but the hat definitely took me like a solid 2 months to get that. And so that was kind of frustrating, but it's definitely worth it. You won't see anybody else rocking this, so if you like to be original, stand out, you definitely won't see anybody else with these items on. Next thing we can move on to now are pants by Denim Tears by Tremaine Emery. I believe he has some other people that he's working with these, but to be honest, I'm a real big fan of Tremaine Emery, and I think he has like some dope stuff with Cactus Plant, New Balances he just was a part of and helped make. He has a lot of good stuff that I think is really, really dope. And these pants specifically is I think are crazy, like crazy quality, crazy design. These pants are actually cotton, and he has a really, really deep story behind it. I believe his great grandmother was and family was like sharecroppers, and they was actually cotton pickers. But yes, he had a bunch of I think for his family members. So like this was like a dedication to his family members that was actually picking cotton, and I think it's like a dope, really dope story, a dope turnaround, because it's like he's comes from a line and a generation in the family that was actually that was picking cotton a part of their actual jobs, and now he's printing cotton, he's making clothes, cotton on cotton. You know what I mean? It's kind of like, may not sound too deep, but I think that's actually like a pretty deep ass fucking meaning, and it's pretty dope. And being a black designer and just coming as far as he has in fashion is really cool. He's a close friend, I know, to Kanye and whatnot, so that's like a lot of people's reasons probably just to purchase their clothes alone, but I really just like the quality behind it. I think he puts a lot of thought and time into it. It's like a collaboration with Levi's. I actually picked this up at the pop-up shop that they had in New York before they actually released it online, and these was the very last pair of jeans I got. So I pulled it right off the wall, and these are really dope. One of my favorite pairs of pants. You've probably seen it on Kanye a couple of times on the GQ cover, and I believe at the NBA All-Star game or something like that. And yeah, these are really dope pair of pants, I believe, and hope to purchase some more things from him soon. These, shit, I think I got these for $150. I think I got these pants for $150 at the pop-up shop. And I think they may have gave it to me a couple dollars off just because it was the very last pair and it wasn't my size. These are 32. I usually get a 32, but these are like the Levi's, like they fit like they was like kind of almost like skinnies almost. Like you can see the bottom, but they really fit kind of a little tight. So like right as soon as I looked at them, I already knew that I would probably need a 34. So they actually gave me like a couple dollars off when I purchased these, but these are really dope. I try not to wear them too much because just this part right here, it's like kind of it's cracking a little bit. So I'm trying to hold on to these. I really, really love these pair, but we'll see. Hopefully I get some more stuff from Denim Tears. Y'all see some more videos just from them. This is a hat. This is the Black Jesus hat going on. Still with the play. This is from the same collection, that cotton collection. the Black Jesus, which is obviously super fucking fire. I don't think we see that enough representation for that. And then just with the crown, the thorn crown that's like obviously seen on Jesus in a lot of pictures in the Bible and whatnot. He actually replaced the thorns with cotton, which is also really, really dope. It's like a real fire embroidery on top of a trucker hat. And I think just the details on this is absolutely crazy. This is Zarandon's hat actually here, but this one is like, I thought it was a super fire pickup. I wanted to grab this too when I first seen it drop, but he was able to get it and it was sold out immediately after he already let me know that he purchased it. So he's a backstabber. Don't trust people like that. You know, they go buy clothes without telling their homies that some fire shit is out there. So, you know, I really don't know why I'm even friends with that guy. But this is a really dope fire hat. Denim Tears, Tremaine Emery. Hope to see some more stuff from them. And hopefully get some more cops and more pickups. So definitely tap in with Denim Tears, Tremaine, Jebediah Ryder Studios. They have a lot of fire stuff. Like I said, once I probably get those pants, I'll show you guys a little video of that and how that looks. But in the meantime, I need you guys to like, comment, share, subscribe to the Lowlifeclub YouTube. Follow us on Instagram. We're doing giveaways. We're doing, actually I think I got something I can show you guys right now. Hold on 1 second. Okay. So yes, we're doing giveaways. I actually just got this. I didn't even open it yet. Let me show you guys. So follow us on Instagram, and you might just be able to win this dope fire ass lighter case. It's a clear lighter case by Supreme, and I'm giving this away. Yeah, I'll be giving this away here. So follow us on Instagram, tag 3 people, and you guys might just be able to win this fire lighter case right here. You know what I mean? Smoke blunts with it, smoke your black amounts, whatever it is that you do. But and we'll be just toss some stickers in there too. So yeah, follow, like, subscribe, and you might just be able to win this. We'll announce the winner on the Lowlifeclub Instagram, but you must follow the Instagram in order to participate and in order to win. Alright, so until next time, peace. I'll catch y'all later. Lowlifeclub, Stone Cold, follow Zarandon. We out.